So in the top view, what you will see a 115 mm dimension, and this what is this height? This is 60 as well. Okay, so this is also 60. So 60 is the depth. Again 60 by 115 you can draw. Okay, first I will take the projectors throughout. I will draw the projectors throughout, projector lines, and yes, I will take 10 mm away from the XY as well. Okay, so these are the projector lines. Yes, now you can see, so these are the vertical projectors. Now what will be there now? You can see in the top view. So in the top view, this is this rectangle is visible, then this inclined wedge is there, then this is hidden, this circular hole is hidden, then it will be shown as dash lines. Okay, and this will be visible, this slot will be visible. Okay, that is outer radius 50 is visible. Okay, now what will be it? Now I will first draw this out, this left, I will start from here, right side rectangle. It is, this is 60 by 12. Okay, I will measure, first I will draw this, whatever it is 115, it is given, and you need not measure the length because always you have already drawn this vertical projector, so need not measure it. Okay, and then it is 60 by 12, so you can mark it 60. This is 60. Okay, and this is 12 already there. So that is the benefit of drawing this vertical projectors. Okay, you need not measure the dimensions. Okay, now you can join this, and now you come to this portion, left side portion. You can see this is 20, it is 20 here. Okay, you can mark this 20 then, so it will be 20. Okay, and up to this 50, it will be a rectangle shape, this 50 from this left side corner, so it will be a rectangular shape, because in the top view the circle will be a rectangle, whereas in the front it is a circle. Cylindrical shape is a rectangle in the top view now. So you can join this. Okay, so this will be visible, this slot circular, and the inside circle is not visible, that will be dash lines. Now it will be from this only I will project here, so this will be projected from here. Okay, you can project it from here. Continuous thin lines, these are the projector lines. Now you can make it dash lines. Dash line is for hidden portion. And you can also extend this center line throughout. Okay, chain line. Okay, now what will happen now? What is left now? You can see this inclined wedge. So this is in the top view, it will be simply a line. You need to join this extreme left edge with this rectangle. So just joining this. So I think this is complete. Okay, so just in the top view it will be done. Okay, now I will do the dimensioning. So now this is complete now. I have done the dimensioning as per the aligned system, you can see. Okay, so this is complete now. You can, of course, you can add this x over here, and then y on this side. Okay, xy is there, and then you can also mention this is the front view and this is the top view. Okay, so this is complete now. I hope you got it. Thank you.